Bitcoin is looking so bullish that we've had to cancel our bid and move it up. And what's cracking, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's Bitcoin analysis video. I have Sean next to me today. Sean, say hello to everybody.
Good morning.
It's a Monday.
It's a Monday.
But more importantly, it's the last day of the month, which means we're getting into August tomorrow, which means a brand new monthly open. Now, Sean, we've been, telling everyone about this pullback trade opportunity that we're looking at, right? The pullback into this bid zone right here that you highlighted for everyone. And this was hinged primarily on what, guys? The Mango Dynamic Indicator. We told you guys that, hey, if you subscribe, if you hit that bell, you're going to be getting updates in case anything changes here. And I think that something has changed. In fact, I believe this bid has moved up. This is no longer the bid opportunity, guys. I think Bitcoin is super, super bullish, and the next buy opportunity has actually moved up. But where is the new bid really coming in at? And this is the region that I'm looking at. The new bid coming in at 28.5K. Now today I'll be making my case for the new bid coming in at 28.5K. So Sean, are you ready for this?
I am indeed.
Are you ready to be disproven?
Disproven? Okay, yes, I am ready. Love to be disproven.
Okay, so let's...
Give me a reason to buy Bitcoin earlier. Please, go ahead.
All right, 28.5K. I'm not going to give you one reason. I'm going to give you 4 reasons. Okay, reason number 1. If you get on over to the Mango dashboard, guys, you can find this on app.mangoresearch.co. I want you guys to get on over to the daily time frame and switch on your bullish FVGs, those crazy bid zones that's given to you, served to you on a platter. And Sean, we're currently within an FVG here. Okay, with the bottom of the zone coming in at around the 28.5K range. Okay, so this, my friends, is reason number 1. And also notice how well price has been respecting the FVG level, even as resistance at around 29.5K.
We've been talking about that resistance level on our Discord live streams. If you guys aren't in the Discord yet, make sure you guys join. You guys can find us at the mango.markets.com/Discord. We've been doing our lives over there because it's a lot more fun, a lot more interactive. And this was that level that we talked about, right? We were like, hey, maybe Bitcoin wants to go up here. We turned on the FVG and we're like, okay, no, resistance overhead. Let's wait a tad bit more. And look at that, guys. Resistance. Every daily candle has rejected the top of the FVG. So it stands to reason that if we have been respecting the top of the FVG, we should respect the bottom of the FVG if we make our way to the downside. And yeah, Krisha, that does line up with your level, 28.5K. Okay, so this is reason number 1. What else do you have for us?
Okay, so that is reason number 1. Reason number 2, guys, the weekly cloud. More importantly, the weekly tenkin. Because we opened a brand new week today, we have a new data point on the tenkin. And the tenkin has been very, very powerful in really guiding that weekly trend for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been in a weekly uptrend. I don't think anyone can really argue that. Sean, what are your thoughts on this weekly tenkin? It's currently coming in right here around, exactly 28.4K-ish, right? What are your thoughts on this?
So it's confluencing with the bottom of the FVG, right? Guys, you don't want to bet against the tenkin. If you see price come down there aggressively and fast, that's more of a bid. If it starts going down slowly, right, that's when you should be scared that we could see a deeper pullback. But a faster move down to the tenkin, the more greedier you should be to buy that, because look at this over here too, that wick down over to the tenkin, got bid up, closed well, and then moved to the upside, right? So we do see a little undershoot as well, all the way down to, like, let's say 28K, these candle closes. I'm going to go ahead and put a level right over there too for you guys, right over here. So this zone, that's going to be a bid. Move to the downside over here is likely going to get picked up. It's confluencing with the bottom of the FVG and the top of the FVG underneath it, right? So there's a lot of confluence over there. The tenkin is marking it out for us. So yeah, Krisha, you're beginning to convince me that we probably should be looking to put our bids up.
Okay, just beginning, eh?
Okay.
The tenkin was not good enough. Okay,
let's go. Let's see what more you got.
All right, so the next one is the weekly Bollinger Band. We're using that weekly Bollinger Band to keep us on the right side of this entire squeeze zone right here. Now, Sean, we had gone over the historic significance of Bitcoin along that Bollinger. Every time it's over the mid, that's bullish territory for Bitcoin. That's when that uptrend continues for us to see even higher highs. Now, this was April 2020 when we did shoot up over the mid. We held it as support throughout that entire run, all the way from 8K-ish all the way up to $60,000. That was a good 656% to the upside, right? Once again, right here, when we did take it out on the next move to the upside, back up to 60K, that was still a good 52% to the upside. So once again, guys, I want to draw your attention to the mid on the Bollinger. Where is price relative to the midpoint? Once again, we're sitting over that midpoint. However, now where is that midpoint really coming in at? That, my friends, comes in at $28,527, 28.5K. So this is reason number 3.
And we're seeing confluence over here, guys, not just on the mid level over here coming at 28.5K, but also the Bollinger Bands, right, which are compressing over here really tight.
Yeah.
Remember, we talked about how the FVG is coming in around 28.5 as well, right? But if you go ahead and use your Mango dashboard, the trend trading, and use your drop down right over here, you're going to see that Bitcoin's volatility is really compressed. And what have I taught you guys? It's that volatility compression leads to volatility expansion, right? And why you guys may not be able to totally decipher it from the Bollinger Bands over here, because it's a little bit abstract. You have a numerical value given to you guys on the dashboard over here, right? Blue means compression, and we have single digit numbers across the board except for the daily, which is at 10, right? So we have really compressed volatility. And now the question is, which direction do we expand to the upside or to the downside? Well, we err to the side of the Bollinger Band's midpoint, and price is living above the mid, so our bias should tell us that, hey, we are likely going to expand to the upside.
Now, Sean, I am exceptionally bullish for this last confluence at 28.5K that I'm about to show you. Are you ready? And this is it right here. Bitcoin on the monthly time frame, guys. This is the ultimate bullish indicator that I am looking at. I'm going to go ahead and switch this off. I want you guys to notice price action against the 20 simple moving average. I've gone ahead and marked out every instance historically where Bitcoin has broken above the 20 simple moving average. The first instance, Sean, we got here on November of 2015, and this marked the beginning of that entire bull run phase for Bitcoin. The only time we lost was here when we're getting into the bear market capitulation phase. Right now, once again, we never lost it throughout that entire trend. I mean, how much did Bitcoin do as soon as we took that out? That was a good 5,770% to the upside, marking the beginning of that bull run phase. Now, once again, we had the next instance right here on May 2019. Price took it out. Now, this was that crazy exponential run that we had from 3K all the way up to 14K. But even then, that was still a good 94% just on that move. We got into the COVID phase. When we did take it out, getting out of the COVID phase, we saw all that stimulus. And how much was that on the trend? Up to 60K. That was 856%. It's only when we started losing it right here on April of 2022 that we got propelled into bear market territory. Now, once again, guys, where is price relative to the 20 simple moving average? We have taken it out once again. All right. Now, question is, where is the 20 simple moving average really coming in at? And let's go ahead and bring up that number. $28,539.
All right, you got me convinced now. Maybe 28.5K is the level we should be looking for. And we're about to close the monthly in a day. And the bulls are looking to defend that, right? Because they know as well that the market is looking at the 20 simple moving average as a guide as to whether they should be bullish or not. So the second candle close above it is going to give the entire market the green light to be looking to position only to the upside. Because again, guys, when in doubt, zoom out. And above the 20 simple moving average, bull run, bull run, bull run. Underneath it, bear run, bear run, bear run. Are we going to get that confirmation? If we do, any dip into the 20 simple moving average is going to be a massive bid opportunity. I do agree with you, Krisha. You have given me a lot to think about.
Alrighty, so with that, guys, we can move on over to the mango trade of the day, where now I'm looking at the bid opportunity to come in along this region right here. Okay, this is going to be the new bid territory for Bitcoin at 28.5K. That is going to be the region.
Krisha, now that you've drawn out the zone over here as the new bid opportunity, I do want to give a shout out to Ben Tai from the Mango C program, who highlighted this level over here as well to me via PM. He said, hey Sean, you usually look at the 4-day dynamic as your massive bid opportunities, right? And if you guys go ahead and turn on your 4-day dynamic, it's actually coming in right around that level, that 28.5K region, right? So you're seeing confluence, Krisha, not only with everything that you just pointed out, but also with the 4-day dynamic coming in over there. I wanted to get a bit greedier for the weekly dynamic because we've seen so much confluence on the weekly dynamic over this entirety of Bitcoin's move. But everything that you've pointed out to me now is making me wonder, should we just be looking to bid that 28.5K zone? The 4-day dynamic is over there as well. So yeah, good find, Kusha. Good catch and great compilation of confluencing indicators over here.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so I got an approval from Sean. Now, this is the new bid opportunity. As far as the target's concerned, guys, the targets remain the same. We got target 1 coming in at $42,000 and target 2 coming in at $62,000. From the bid zone that we're looking at to the first target, that's going to be a good 47% to the upside. To the second target, we're looking at a good 115% to the upside. Alrighty, so this is the Mango trade update for the day. Now, guys, if anything changes on this chart, you will hear from us first. So make sure you're hitting the sub and the bell icon. That way you are staying on the right side of Bitcoin and this compressed volatility. Now, as far as where are we trading Bitcoin, we're trading it on the BitGet exchange. You'll find a link to it in the description below. And if you use that link, you can get some $8,000 in deposit bonuses as well as discounts on those trading fees, which freaking add up big time. And tomorrow, guys, we'll also be posting a new video under the premium videos section covering a very juicy altcoin. So make sure you don't miss that one, because remember, guys, all it takes is one good trend trade to completely change your account. Alrighty, so now with this, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's update. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.
Ciao.